Guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm just behind a shop that everything is $2. So today I just want to share with you, and the location is really good. The shop is close to the pub street, easy to find. So let's go. So this shop location is really good to find. It's like you can see over there is pub street, and the gas station next to the gas station is Burger King, and it's like close to KFC. And this shop here, everything is $2, and the product is from Japan, so most thing is come from Japan. And the shop is really nice and clean, and yeah, and as you walk inside to the shop, it's nice and cold with the air conditioner. Okay, so let's check out together. This shop is quite big. It's like lots of things. So I'm gonna show you this area now. It sells glasses like for kids, and brooms and flowers, and everything is $2. Super nice, very good. And like cute key charms, only $2 as well. Very nice. With this air conditioner, it's just so good. I want to stay here for all day. And it's like these flowers are fake, but it's nice. And jar of the to put like cookies or something like that, only $2. Yeah, really nice. They sell lots of things. So now I'm gonna show you this area. Can see here. So these bags are recycling bags. They are small, easy to fold and put inside the normal bag. They sell clocks. They sell many things, and it's really good because close to Pub Street. It's like you can walk from Pub Street to here. The location is only like 5 minutes, and this is like recycling bags. And they sell like baskets, and lots of bowls, pots, and with different color. And as you can see here, like mosquito net or laundry for laundry or something like this, you know. Very nice. Ah, super cute. Oh, I like this one. Like a small basket. So cute. Oh, look at this one. It's so cute, like a small pot. It's super cute like this. And they sell like face lotions, pans, pots, spoons, anything you would need. They sell like trays as well. This kind of tray, like a Japanese tray. Lots of things. So if you're looking for things for home, or like something like good quality and it like looks nice, you can come here. And I'm gonna show you this area now. This area like foundations or for makeup for the ladies. Oh, I'm gonna get this one. Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna get this one. This one very nice. Oh no, I thought one. Ooh, yeah, this one. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one. Headband, I need that. It's easy. Oh, maybe this one better. Ooh, I want this one as well. Get 2 of them. Yep. Like lots of makeup. So when I see something like cute makeup, I just want to get it. Just want to buy all of them. Or even this one, hair ties. So cute. Just like cute thing. Gonna get one as well. Oh, they sell like this one as well. Okay. Gonna get this one as well. Oh, I'm gonna get a lot. So they sell lots of things for makeup. And this one is from Japan. shop is in front of the sign is like from Japan, and they sell all of these things as well. Look, so cute. Sofa, a small sofa. How is that work? It's so cute like this. Oh, so cute. A small table, super cute, like small chair. So cute. I just like cute things. And they sell like different kinds of like decorations, different kinds of cute things, and this kind of like lots of different kinds of cups or coffee cups or coffee tea. So many things. They sell like baby clothes as well. Oh, lots of things. When you walk into the shop, it just feels so nice. It feels like it's a good design, and yeah, just a good design, and it's nice. Especially it has an aircon, or it has aircons. It keeps the shop. It's so nice and cool. Can stay here for all day and all night. As you can see, the shop is huge. It sells lots of things. Lots of things. And this area, more here, can see it. Many things. Oh. So if you come to Siem Reap and you're looking for like something from Japan or like cute thing, you might consider want to come to this shop instead, because it's just so nice, and it has many different kinds of frames. Yeah, so nice. Cute basket here. Oh, bucket here. Can put inside. Oh, more there as well. Yeah. This is like kid stuff, like sell most thing for the kids. And you can see this is from Japan or maybe Korean, but I think Japan, because they said mostly from Japan. Yeah, lots of kids toys. So this area for kids, and this area for like home thing again, or maybe garden, like the gloves for gardens or decoration. Your garden looks nice. And this area for like for office, or for like sell pens, pencils, or anything for the office. And you can see here. Yes, really nice. And most things here is only $2. Super good. Oh, this one very good. It's easy to clean the bed. You know, sometimes when you go in the bed is dusty and hard to clean. This one is so easy to clean around, or clean the mirror, or clean anything. Just this one for clean the bed, or that one, doesn't matter which one, but easy to clean the dust. And most things here. And this area for like towels or anything for room, or many things. Hard to describe. Lots of slippers, socks. Yes, just so nice. So many things. When I come to this shop, I feel so motivated to talk, because there are many things and many cute things. Everything here just so cute. Look at this, so cute. Brooms, coat hangers, many things for the home. Just so nice. Anyway guys, that's all for this video today. Just want to share with you about this shop. Everything is $2. Most things $2. So that's all for this video today, and hope you guys like it, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.